Managing any educational institute is not a piece of cake. Managing students, staff, timetable, exams, fee collection, inventory, etc. It doesn't just end here. Parents are always worried about their child's performance. Moreover, they stay anxious the whole day about their kids' safety. Well, it's time we put a check on all these worries. We present a campus management solution to make conventional tasks easier. We provide Smart Identity Card for automated attendance marking, which saves lots of productive time. In this technology-driven era, many schools lack a comprehensive website and mobile app to check their child's progress, attendance, school events, and much more. Teachers can communicate with the parents through the app and the website. Send the attendance, notices, fee reminders, events, and other updates. With our advanced GPS tracking technologies, parents can keep a tab on the school bus and get live notifications about its movements. Software modules include Staff and Student Management, Class Management, Exam Module, Fees Module, Transport, Library Management, Time Saving and Student Safety,